Gusto mo bang mag-travel? Global Pinoy Travel and Tours is here at your service. Here are the services: airline ticketing, land tour arrangement, hotel accommodation, visa assistance, travel insurance, and corporate bookings.
Global Pinoy Travel and Tours go through PTAA!
Let me guys introduce to you our company, which is Global Pinoy Travel and Tours, or which you guys can call GPTE for short. So we are a traditional travel business agency that has been operating since 2012, guys. We organize tours and leisure activities for not only locals or like solo clients, but also corporate groups. So we have a variety of services for you all.
Nandito nga pala tayo sa SMX kung saan ginaganap ang pinakamalaking travel expo sa buong Pilipinas na kung saan nagbibigay ng pinakamurang ticket, package tours para sa lahat ng mga traveler na gusto mag-travel ng mura ma-experience yan dito. Kaya mga kaibigan, sa totoo lang po, sa mga taong nag-iisip, ano bang negosyo ang pinaka-hot ngayong 2024? Kaibigan, kita-kita nyo na. And ang good news dyan, kung ikaw isang tao na nag-iisip ng business, nag-iisip ng negosyo na pwede simulan ngayong 2024, kaibigan, I suggest to you, Travel and Tours Business. Global Pinoy Travel, unified products and services to help you make your dreams come true.
Simulan mo ng mag-travel and tour business para kumita ng malaki at alamin kung bakit travel business ang patok this 2024. Well, according to Statistica, ang domestic tourism expenditure in the Philippines last 2022 ay umabot ng 1.5 trillion pesos. Kaya naman, nandito si Global Pinoy Travel and Tours to help you establish your own travel business. Pwede kang mag-book ng ticket, mapa-local man yan, or international. At pwede ka rin mag-offer ng mga tour packages here in abroad. At we have also visa assistance.
Inquire now and be part of our growing business.